You got a friend in me. You've got a friend in me. When the road looks rough ahead and you're miles and miles from your nice warm bed, you just remember what you...
Hello, Ate Mai. Happy birthday and God bless you always.
Happy birthday, Tita! God bless and I wish you the best.
Happy 50th birthday. Sana masakaba yung buhay.
Hi, Ate Mai. Happy birthday. May the Lord grant the wishes and desires of your heart. Stay blessed, stay pretty, and more birthdays to come. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Tita Ma!
Happy birthday, Tita Ma!
Happy birthday, Ate Mai! MBTC daw. Happy birthday. God bless.
God bless.
God bless, Ate Mai. Ingat ka lagi dyan. Ken?
From Magdalo.
From Magdalo. Nandito kami, naka-duty. Happy birthday. Para siya mag-edit niya.
Ngayon, magkaibigan pa rin po kami. Kung may problema ako o kailangan ko ng advice, sinachat ko pa rin siya. May ano kaya gagawin ko, ganito, ganon. Agad-agad yan mag-reply or mag-advise sa akin na ganito gawin mo, ganito, ganon, ganon. Kaya, blessed ako dahil nakilala ko sa Ate Mai. Ang magiging masasabi ko lang po sa kanya ay ipagpatuloy niya po yung pagiging mabuting tao niya at mabuting kaibigan. At ang wish ko sa kanya, sana po makahanap na siya ng love life. At saka, be happy always, Ate Mai. And be a good friend always. And I wish na makahanap ka na ng love life mo at maging masaya ka palagi. At alam ko napakabuting ina mo sa mga anak mo. Salamat at nakilala kita. Happy birthday!
Hello, Mylene! Happy birthday to you. And I pray that God grants the desires of your heart in His perfect time. I honor you and I admire you for being such a strong woman. Hindi ko alam yung buong detalye ng journey mo kasi hindi naman tayo nagsama ng matagal. I mean, it was only 1 year, I think, kasi nga nagkasama lang tayo during 4th year high school. But during those times, I am happy na naging barkada kita. And up until now, I am thankful to God dahil we still have communication na kahit papano, we still get to update each other's lives. And hanga ako sa'yo for all the challenges that you've been through. Here you are, standing strong, standing proud. And I pray that God will pour out all the blessings that you need in your life, most especially to your children. I'm so happy na kahit papano, kahit sa saglit na panahon, nakapagkwentuhan tayo when I was there in Dubai. And yeah, I'm so grateful and nakakatuwa lang dahil after so many years, kahit papano nagkita ulit tayo. Welcome to the 50s Club. Ikaw kasi yung pinakabunso sa magbabarkada sa atin. So, welcome. Again, happy 50th birthday. I hope that you will enjoy this day, your special day. God bless you, Mylene.
Hi, Mylene! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! See you soon! Happy birthday again! Bye!
Hello, Ate May Binluan. Happy birthday sa iyo. Ngayon, 50 years old ka na. Umuwi ka naman ng Pinas para makabanding ka namin ulit. Dahil napakatagal natin hindi nakapagkita or nakapagbanding, ano. Miss na miss ka na namin. Sana stay healthy at stay humble, ano. Napakabait mo pa rin at di ka nakakalimot sa mga kaibigan mo. Sabi ko lang, more birthday to come, Ate May. At hintayin ka namin dito sa Pinas para makasama ka namin ulit. God bless.
Ay! Hello! Mai! Kamusta? Kamusta ka sa ibang bansa? Happy birthday! Wish you more birthdays to come. Enjoy sa ibang bansa. Miss ko na kayo ni Tricia dito. Wala na akong kasama. Dito sa Camilos. Enjoy lang kayo dyan. Happy birthday to you, Mylene Binluan, my friend. Ingat. God bless.
Oh. God bless you.
Ay, May, una sa lahat, abati mo na ako sa'yo ng happy birthday. Happy birthday. At wish ko sana laging okay ka dyan. Marami ka pang birthday na darating. Happy birthday to May. Insan May, ingat ka lagi dyan sa ibang bansa. Pasalubong ko pag uwi mo. Joke. Happy birthday to May. Thank you.
Hi ate, happy 50th birthday. I miss you. God bless always.
Ate, happy birthday! May God bless you with all the happiness and success in your life. Enjoy your special day!
Yan, isang magandang araw at naway pagpalain ng Panginoon ang iyong pagsisikap dyan, May, Sis May. Sa iyong mga pagsisikap sa buhay, sa iyong pamilya. Alam natin na mahirap ang buhay sa abroad at ikaw ay nagsasakripisyo para sa iyong pamilya, kahanga-hanga ang mga bagay na ganyan. Ano? Sa bagay na kadakilaan sa isang magulang na kahit malayo sa kanyang pamilya ay naghahanap buhay dahil para sa ikagaganda, para itaguyod ang kanyang pamilya. Mahirap ang buhay sa abroad at alam natin yan, kaya saludo sa iyo, Sis May. Andito kami para naghihintay lang sa iyo. Ang Samahang Magdalo at ang Matanglawin Brothers ay laging naghihintay para sa iyo. Happy birthday, May. Pagpalain ka ng Diyos at God bless.
Hello, Mai. Happy birthday. May all your wishes come true. More power and God bless.
Happiest 50th birthday to you, my dear friend and kumare. You looking good at 50. Wishing you more years and more blessings. Just remember this lang. We should never take life for granted. Always be thankful to God of what you have now. You are truly blessed, Mare. I know you're enjoying and you're happy with your sisters and brothers there. Enjoy life and hope to see you soon. Again, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mylene. Ano ba? 50 years old na tayo. Ang bilis ng panahon, no? Happy birthday. Wish ko good health. Happiness. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Sis May Binluan. May God be your guiding light and may He always protect you from all difficulties. Happy birthday, Sis.
Hi, May. Kumusta? Happy birthday. Mag-ingat ka palagi dyan.
Hello, Mylene. Oh, dumating na rin ang 50th birthday mo. Sana, wish ko lang sa'yo na sana laging masaya ka sa ginagawa mo. And sana laging healthy tayong lahat. 'Di ba? And sana, makauwi ka na ulit dito para makapag-bonding ulit tayo. Nakakamiss na rin yun. Sana soon na. Sige, ingat lagi dyan. And stay safe lagi. Miss you.
Sana mag-healthy lang lagi at saka gano'n na lang multi life masaya na. See you soon. Happy birthday. Bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Ate Mai, actually, konti lang na ate kasi konti lang yung difference natin. But you know what? I wish you all the best on your birthday. Wish ko lang na you always be pretty as always. Then a happy long life. God bless you always. Take care. Mama.
Happy birthday, Ate Mai. We wish you good health and God bless always.
Hey Ate, I hear it's your 50th birthday. I want to wish you a very happy and healthy year ahead. Lots of love, Simon.
Happy birthday, Ate Mai. I wish you more birthdays to come and good health always. Hope to see you soon.
Hi, good morning. How are you? I wish you a very, very happy birthday. Take care. God bless you.